I was just about to do my 3Sing and thought about recording since I have this monitor here that stopped working and it's taking up space that I can use to improve the workspace. And we also have a mess with all these cables. So today you're going to join me to clean up. And this is the final result. Now we have more space for our laptops and the cables are presented in an organized way. Now I can charge my cell phone without the cable getting in the way. Here I also have the charger for the watch. The cables are not longer tangled together, so it's easier to access to the headsets. And I have my bottle of water inside, which makes easier to meet the challenge we have with Marcela to drink more water in our day.